What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you are new on my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we are going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error, how to fix the PS4 error NW-31253-4. It's a network DNS problem. So I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Here we go to the settings and then go to the network and view PlayStation network services. Sometimes the DNS is not working, that's why you get this error. The server is down, but here is the server is up and good, and you must go to change the DNS server. Here you go to the setup internet connection, use custom and manual. Here is the primary DNS. Change it to 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4.4. So simply that's how these DNS, you just change it and it will be fixed. And if you have a problem with your local network, you simply restore or reset your router. And if you're new on my channel, then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.